Yes, that's our goal. We take it one game at a time. So we know the scenario, we know kung paano kami papasok sa Final Four, but we will take it one game at a time. So sabi ko nga sa mga players ko, we focus on today's game, and then we will prepare for tomorrow for Wednesday games against Arellano. With those
Against?
Arellano.
Oh yeah, okay.
So hindi pa namin tinitingnan muna yung JRU. We try to focus on our next game, which is Arellano.
Sa Wednesday ito.
Wednesday. So medyo siguro in 8 days, 3 games kami. So medyo mabigat. So but we will take it. We have a chance. Our chance is still in our hands, but we need to play hard. We need to focus on our practices.
Okay.
Coach, last game nga rin yan. JRU.
JRU is our last game on
Okay.
Monday.
Parang knockout yun.
Monday. So I think, and I challenge my players na to play hard. We come from a 3-game losing streak, but I told them that we have a chance. So they work very hard on practice. So that's why medyo nakalusot kami ngayon.
Okay, Coach.
Coach, against Arellano, parang crucial pa rin yan kasi kung titingnan nyo, yung Perpetual nga kanina, naka-champa sa Letran. So, itong Arellano parang
So yes, remember our first game on first round sa Arellano, it's a 3-point lang ni Alan yung buzzer beater. So hindi namin pwedeng kailangan din namin paghandaan mabuti. So and then it's very important game for us. So kung matatalo kami doon, siguro may chances namin medyo mababa na. So kailangan namin manalo para may yung chance namin sa Final Four maging maganda.
Okay, sir.
Coach, ano yung game plan nyo against Liga?
Our game plan is to tighten up our perimeter defense against Toralba, Hamon, Morada, Vargas, because their perimeter players is very good and mataas yung percentage nila sa 3 points. So yun ang game plan talaga namin, to limit their perimeter players. Pero kahit ganun pa man, nakascore pa rin si Hamon ng 27. Si Toralba 14, but we limit the other guys, siguro si Vargas and Morada, a single point.
Okay, Coach.
Okay na rin.
Okay na rin. Okay,